Now let's talk about lists. In Python, the list data structure is an ordered collection of mutable or changeable elements. It is similar to array, but with more enhanced functionality. A list in Python is defined by enclosing a comma-separated sequence of objects in square brackets. Let's see an example. I will create a new Python file. Lists example. Okay, and I will create a simple list. Square brackets. 2, 3, 4, 5. I can print our list. Let's try to run our code. And yes, we can see that list was printed correctly. A list can also hold different type of elements, such as integers, strings, or even other lists. So let's try to define such a kind of complex list. Complex list. And yes, the first element will be integer 1. The second element will be string 2. And the third element will be another list, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try to print our list. Let's try to run our Python code. And yes, we can see that in Python it's possible to create a list which contains elements with different data types.